Ever wonder where your money disappears every month? Even though you're trying to save, you're not broke. You're just blind to the leaks. In today's video, I'm revealing exactly how I manage my money, step by step, from budgeting to investing. The same system that took me from stressing about bills to confidently watching my portfolio grow every single month. And no, it's not about cutting coffee. It's about controlling cash flow and building freedom. Because if you don't tell your money where to go, it'll decide for you. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with a clear financial plan you can copy, even if you're starting with $0. A few years ago, I thought I was doing fine. I made decent money, but somehow I'd hit payday and still feel broke. Sound familiar? I had no idea where my cash was going, so I decided to audit myself. And the result? I was spending $250 a month on food delivery, $90 on subscriptions I didn't use. And let's not talk about impulse Amazon buys. Here's the truth. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a management problem. Here's how I fixed it. I started using a simple but powerful formula, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% in needs like rent, utilities, food, transportation. 30% in wants like lifestyle, hobbies, entertainment. 20% in future like savings, investing, debt payments. It's not sexy, but it's powerful. Why? Because it forces balance. Here's a pro tip. Automate your transfers. The moment your paycheck hits, your bank should move your money automatically into these 3 buckets. You don't need discipline, you need a system. Because let's be honest, willpower fades, but automation doesn't. Next up, saving. Saving isn't about hoarding, it's about buying time and freedom. I set up 3 savings accounts. Emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Short-term goals, vacations, gadgets, etc. Long-term goals, house, business or investments. Each one has a purpose. When you name your savings goals, it's easier to protect them. And here's a power move. Keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account, something giving you 4% to 5% APY in 2025. Your cash should earn while it waits. Now let's talk about the real wealth builder, investing. My money strategy follows this pyramid. Foundation is emergency fund plus no bad debt. Growth is index funds and ETFs. Acceleration is real estate, side businesses, and AI-based investing tools. I invest automatically every month, even if it's just $100. Why? Because consistency beats timing. If you've ever waited for the right time to invest, you've already lost time. And compound interest doesn't forgive. Start small, start now. And if you're worried about losing money, remember, risk is the price of admission for financial freedom. Here's how my full system looks today. Number 1, every dollar has a destination. Number 2, my savings are automated. Number 3, my investments grow monthly. Number 4, and my future. Compound interest is doing the heavy lifting. It's not about being rich tomorrow, it's about being ready forever. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people because most people don't have a plan, they have hope. So start today, take control, automate, and invest. Because your money isn't just for paying bill, it's for buying freedom. And if you're serious about mastering your finances, hit subscribe. This is Financial Fix, where your money meets the future.